Okay, the purpose of this short video is to show you how to convert your PowerPoint, which has audio and pen annotation, into a video file for students to watch. If you want some more detail on how to actually create the pen and audio, there is a previous video on this. Okay, let's begin. Going up to slideshow at the top, clicking record show and record show from the beginning takes you to the recording interface. As previously mentioned in the other video, just always check your pen is working by clicking on the pen icon at the bottom and writing a test. Okay, we're ready to go. The way this is going to work from now is when I press record in the top left, everything I say, everything I write is being recorded, and I can move through each PowerPoint slide and the length of time it takes me to go through all my PowerPoint slides, speaking and drawing, will equate to the length of the video. So in essence, I'm recording a video and then saving it as a video. So let's begin. I'm talking over this slide. I move to my next slide. I talk over this one. I talk over another slide perhaps. I move to the next one. I may start drawing annotations on things that I want to. I may even draw diagrams for students. And I may highlight text, I may model, and all of this is being recorded as I go through my PowerPoint. When I've finished my video, I wouldn't recommend going longer than 10 minutes for file size really. I go to the X in the top right hand corner and close it. I can view my whole video back by clicking the slideshow icon in the bottom right here. If I'm not happy with it, I can go back to record slideshow and clear it and start again. If I am happy and I now wish to turn it into a video, I will go to File, Export, Create Video, and I'm probably going to choose the smallest size here because that means it will be quicker for me to create this video and upload it and put it in a place where students can access it. I then go to Create Video. It will now save. I'm just going to write here that this is the video version. It's saving as an MPEG-4 video. I'm clicking save, and it may take anywhere between 1 minute and 10 minutes to record this as a video, but I can see the progress in the bottom right of this becoming a video. And that should then save a video PowerPoint for me to check through in the folder that I've saved it into, and then you can upload that to whatever format or platform that your students will access it.